I fucking told you those are snow geese. I fucking told you.
Guess what? We're ready now.
Yeah. Alright, well I'm saying fuck you because I knew that me and him saw him a mile away.
Ah, fuck you, damn it.
You knew, why didn't we let those land?
Yeah, I didn't know.
Get him. Oh, I folded that one.
Oh, I got that one.
Yeah! Let's go. Hey, there's a crip.
Oh my god!
Yeah!
Oh my god! Hey, did we get the blue?
No. Did you see that shot I made on that one? Holy fuck!
What did we just do? Oh my god!
Holy fuck! Let's go! Let's go!
God.
Dude, you should have saw the shot I made on this thing.
I pulled up on him. One of them. Oh, he's young. He's a young bird.
I'm mounting.
Folded that other one. I think we all got the first one.
Is that a mounter?
You'd want an all black beak or orange beak. That would be the one to mount. Look at that one.
I dropped a can. I shot at one of those snows and then folded it.
Let me see this guy. Yeah, this would be the one to mount if you're gonna mount one of these snows.
Fuck yeah.
I'd mount this guy. He's a young bird. This is probably.
They're not dead.
This one's probably 2 years old.
We just fucking shot snows.
Take my gun, Kieran.
Oh my god.
Fucking Michigan snow geese.
What do we do to finish them?
Yeah.
We can't. I want to get a picture.
Why would you do? I don't think we would check yet.
I don't want to get them fucked up.
Put them in Ryan's blind.
Yeah. I want to get a picture with me and Cole.